Assam. If I'm not mistaken, the state can be termed as the place of awesome. Enriched with millions of flora and fauna, this region embarked its journey to the eternal beauty. In this very state, there prevailed Barak Valley, which shares the similar attributes, although has been betrayed politically, but never stopped to barter its beauty to the people who visits him. Today, we make our mind to visit one of such alluring places, which have been proving a boon to the commerce in this valley. I'm talking about Dholai Waterfall. Accordingly, we gather today morning, though it's a rainy one, packed cooked food, drinks, and outset the journey from Silchar to Dholai, distance of which is almost 31 km and takes 1 hour to reach. Talking about Silchar, its dilapidated roads, malls, and 24/7 traffic jams are its outlook, while in its outskirts you will have different pictures. Verdant environment, pure air, good infrastructure, and most importantly, calm nature, which is totally different or missing in restless town. After traveling about 30 kilometers, we reached Dholai Bazaar. From here, we need to cover 5 more kilometers, although the well of roads are. And now, after 4 kilometers, we had to left our bike and make 1 more kilometers journey on foot. Finally, I can see you. Finally, I'm coming to you. This sensation, this exuberance, I can't recall properly. But you are beautiful. There's nothing more fresh and breeze that used to condition in the surrounding air of a live waterfall. The environment is in mint condition. Although I don't know the art of natation, but who can confine himself from relish some adventurous execution? After 2 hours of awesome stay there, we headed back to Silchar. As Saint Augustine said, the world is a book and those who do not travel read only a page. Dear world, I wanna see each and every corner of you. The way you speak differently at different parts, the way you look diverse in distinct places, the varying culture you offer to different regions, Your rivers, your mountains, your villages. I wanna see everything. Earth, I wanna explore you. Earth, I'm in love with you.